Okay, here, come on everybody, family photo. Alright, Andrew likes to be on camera. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be tackling the frame rust on the 85 Supra. Adam brought his welder so we can actually fix it. Adam, what are we going to be doing?
Sticking metal on metal.
Okay.
Melting metal.
Okay. Easy peasy. So
Burning this down and claiming the insurance.
there's no insurance on.
Oh.
Well, there
Not
isn't.
worth anything anyway.
Yeah, there is insurance, but it's not worth a lot.
It's like $1,000. We can spend more in like,
Gasoline.
it's worth it.
Just burn the whole house down. Claim the whole house.
Beep. Oh yeah, this is 40 bucks on the Supra forums. Let me know. All right, so this is the damaged part that we're gonna be trying to fix. Adam, you're pretty confident, right?
Yeah, we can fix
That's a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage.
The only part that's kind of weird is there's like that part that like slopes up to it. I don't know how we're gonna handle that.
With a
It's
hammer?
covered in bed liner.
Yes, actually. It's already a pretty heavy coat of bed liner.
We're gonna have to grind it off and then try to weld to that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to pretty much clean this up first, and then see what we're working with.
Actually, I
So,
brought my
like-
fucking headlamp.
This is all rusted out here,
Yeah.
which we could fix that. This is supposed to be square.
Oh, my Subaru's like that too.
Yeah, this is all fucking
The
smashed.
best way to fix that though is to weld to it, use a hammer.
Yeah,
And
slide
pull
hammer.
it, a slide hammer and pull it back
But
out.
it's like pushed. Like, I don't know how we're gonna get in here and weld because it broke like off.
well,
I mean, we could just like try to
look
tap
at
it
this
back into
janky
place.
weld though. Look at this right here, Adam.
Yeah, it's just like a little tiny tack weld.
yeah,
But oh yeah, this whole piece is new.
yeah. You didn't know this car was a hit, right?
No, I did.
Okay, yeah.
But I
all
never
this
looked
was-
this close. Yeah, this is just a piece of fucking steel they welded on top of the rusty ass shit.
Oh wow, good on him.
So
Yeah.
we gotta.
typical auto body.
Yeah.
So they didn't even fix this.
No,
No.
Well, we can
I wish we had a
Luckily-
slide hammer.
Yeah, this isn't like super structural. It's not
It's
like
not.
part of the frame. Like the car's not gonna fall apart without it. So we can just like bang it back into place and try to fill this in.
Yeah.
Because it's not. Luckily it's not rusty. It's just smashed.
Yeah. The undercoating really did a good job.
Yeah, but
So-
this definitely just pulled water. See, it's the low spot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Water definitely just sat in there and fucking this drain's clogged up. So
Typical.
yeah. So we'll just cut this out as best we can.
How far do you think we should come back here? I'm thinking like.
Oh, this is all okay.
I guess you can.
It's literally here that
well,
it gets
it's
bad.
starting to creep past back.
Well, we'll cut a little bit out,
Yeah,
and we'll just basically do the same thing.
you can take a peek in there once you have it off anyway.
Yeah, we'll cut up like to here,
Yeah.
and then just get a piece of, instead of flat, we'll get a piece of angle iron.
Yeah,
and weld it up on the side.
You think taking it all the way to the top here?
Yep. Come
Where
up.
it flares, because it looks like, based on the shape right here, it looks like they have like a piece
Yeah.
that flares out. It's probably tacked in.
Yep.
The
This is
spot
all
weld.
spot
Yeah,
welded.
it's spot welded in.
So we'll come up pretty high
Yeah.
and try to like match this contour, kind of.
Basically cut at the seam.
Yeah. We'll probably take a little bit of this metal off just so we can get in there.
Yeah, I would. It's shot anyway.
Yeah. I mean, luckily this is all good.
Yeah. Oh, to be honest with you, dude, we could just drill another drain hole and shoot it up
Yeah.
through there later.
Yeah.
I would just do that. Yeah, we'll
I'm
just do
definitely
that.
gonna drill another drain hole. But
Yeah.
all this, is this okay here? It feels okay.
It is.
Yeah.
It's
So we'll just
brown,
cut- That's fine.
but honestly,
Well, we could just wire wheel that, right?
nah, it's gonna need cut probably halfway up.
Okay.
It's still not that bad. Like the actual repair talking, it's flat.
Yeah.
We're talking flat surfaces, so.
Yep.
How's that rust was?
Oh, it's something, man. It's something. Very cool. These ones, though. I think we're
Man, it was, you know, it's funny. I had those Steeler tickets in my hand, and it was like, you know what?
Oh, we
This
lost
could
our
be
light.
fun, but
That's what we're dealing with, yeah. This comes off, though?
So, I'm assuming this is a part of the fender right here.
Yeah, it is. This is one big fender.
Yeah. Well, really? No way. But yeah, that's,
Oh, this holds the flare on, too.
yeah.
So we'll probably have to find a... Oh, right here.
I wonder if you should just take the flare off right now too, just to get at it.
I don't know if I want to get into that right now.
You might have to. That's a rocker. That's just a part of the flare. I wonder if the rocker underneath the flare is. I'm sorry, the fender's rusted.
It was replaced, so this one, if any of them, shouldn't be that bad.
In theory.
Yeah, here.
So,
Oh yeah, no, this is the one. Oh no, it's brown underneath there.
Yeah.
It's pretty bad actually.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, on the other one, the frame rail. Yeah.
All these flares are gonna have to come off. You're right.
The fenders are gonna have to come off. The flares are gonna have to come off. Everything's gonna have to come off.
It's like right, like
There's gonna be so many parts. I don't know where I'm gonna put them all.
Like right here is where we're doing
The trunk?
Side.
Oh, okay.
Ugh.
It's just
Yeah.
slowly rusted out.
This too.
Hey, Wes, you got a wasp nest in here.
There's one on this side too.
Really? Up in the strut tower.
Yeah, there's one up in this one too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So.
Yeah, I think it sat outside
Sick.
a little bit.
All right, so we took out the fender liner just because it, you know, we're noticing some rust here when it focuses, and then there's this kind of stuff in here.
You don't sound too happy, Wes.
And I'm not. I mean, this is to be expected.
Yeah, so don't be surprised.
So I'm not. It's not the greatest thing to be talking about, though. It's like
You should see what I'm dealing with at home.
I don't want to. We're just gonna continue cleaning it up as best we can. Adam's running and grabbing some better safety glasses because mine aren't good enough, and he's gonna start cutting out the metal that we're gonna need to be replaced. We're gonna need to replace on the car. This thing is gonna be a freaking project, right?
It's not. You're just being a little baby about it.
Okay, I'm a little baby, but we're gonna start cutting into it.
Oh yeah, it's rusty all the way up. Yeah, all that's got to come out.
Yeah.
We'll have to figure out what we're gonna do with this.
Yeah, I mean, if
We'll probably just cut this little bit off
And then it's knocked off the front there.
because it's not connected anyway.
right, and then just redo something with it.
Yeah, and then we can weld it here and then weld in little panels if we need to.
Yeah. All right.
Was there a step?
Yeah,
I didn't want to overshoot the cuts in the corners and have
Right.
slots, so I went light, and we're gonna try to just
Rip it.
break it out. There's one.
it's bigger. It's
Oh God.
very tall. So the whole thing's been all the shelving is coated in.
So now is there a point where it becomes not repairable?
Yeah, if we lost these walls, that'd be no good.
That's not true. With enough money.
Right, but we're not going for who can spend the most with this car.
So let's be completely honest. I'm still gonna fix it.
Probably.
Actually, to be honest, probably needs it.
How's it look, Adam?
That was about as bad as I thought it was.
That's good.
Yeah, good.
This is originally like a 2-layer metal, actually. It's interesting. It's like two layers of sheet metal together to make this frame channel.
You don't need bigger. Yeah, don't capacity. Right.
There we go. Let's clean that up. Let's set this out.
It is.
We're in business.
Yep, this is pretty good.
That's good.
Yeah, that's all good. That'll need to come out. And we'll have to cut like
Yeah, I mean,
this little bit out just so we can weld up in there.
Yeah.
This isn't doing anything anyway.
Right. Cool.
But the thing about
All right, so this is the current point that we're at with the car. So it's just, we're gonna keep taking off and cleaning up as we see fit, and then continue to keep taking material off as need be. It's
so long.
It's not great, but it's not that bad. So we're working with what we got. Thumbnail. All right, so it's the next day. We got the frame pretty much cleaned up to the point where we're about ready to weld. So we have to cut up some steel first to build the new kind of, what would you call it, like a frame housing, casing?
We're like kind of boxing the frame, if anything.
Kind of boxing the frame, if anything. So we have this piece of like 1.5 inch steel, and we're gonna cut that to size, and then we have another piece, and Adam's gonna weld it all to the car. So
Yep.
time to get cutting. Bada bing, bada boom.
Yep. Just falling off.
Oh, nice. Hell yeah, brother. All right, so we have the pieces mocked up and cut, and Adam is getting the welder set up to weld these two pieces together to make our C, or like our housing for the frame, and put a few
Yeah, we're just gonna tack it and then check the fitment and bend or, you know, cut more if we need to. So
yeah.
Don't want to weld it all the way up and then try to put it on there and it doesn't fit.
Yes.
Not good.
That's a very, very good idea, and that's why he's the one doing this stuff and not me.
Not super great welds, but this stuff's hard to weld.
Yeah, I mean,
Probably got a little too much heat in there now, actually.
yeah, you think?
Yeah, they're not like raised at all. They're like dipped down through the metal. It's like penetrating a little bit too far through the steel.
Oh,
A little bit
okay.
too much power going through there.
That makes sense.
Adjusting my pulse time a little bit and see what we get.
Oh, okay.
Do a shorter pulse.
Yeah, you're speaking gibberish to me, so. That's crazy.
Yeah.
The more you know.
Yep. So now we can take it off, let it cool for a second, and see if it'll fit on the car.
Right, and then that way it's not too much to bend if need be.
Yep.
Cool. I mean, if we have to hammer it, that's honestly.
I'd rather have to hammer it on than it just like fall off, right?
Oh, yeah.
You might have to grind some more of this guy off.
Okay.
But up here it'll be fine. Just squeeze it a little bit. Probably have to take some more of this off. It's a little bit
Oh,
wide.
the stuff that they welded on?
Yeah.
Because I can do that while you weld the rest.
Yeah, if you just want to bring this down to like a taper.
Yeah, I can do that.
Like you know what I mean? Bring it in like this.
Yeah, yeah.
On both sides. I left a little bit extra up here, but we gotta
Okay.
get rid of it too.
Yeah, then I'll get rid of that stuff, and then I'll wipe it down when.
Yep. And
When
I
I'm
gotta
done.
bend this guy out a little bit.
Okay.
And we'll go from there.
Cool.
Good.
So that fits pretty damn well.
Yep. We'll have to bend the tabs up in a little bit at the top. We are a little bit narrower at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Or ideally, we can actually remove some of this material
Yeah.
and just squeeze it a little bit more and fit it to this, and that'd be perfect.
Well, damn. Killer.
So if you want to grind those edges a little bit.
And then we'll be good?
Yep.
Cool. Want the hammer?
We gotta take a little bit more off right here.
Oh,
That's the
damn.
problem.
I thought I got all that.
No, you got, it just needs more. Just a little bit more, because it's pulling the part like this.
Mm-hmm.
We need it to go to the left a little bit, but it's like real fucking close.
Cool. Okay.
So, yeah. The front squeezed a little bit, not much. So, Just open up the front a little tiny bit, pound it on there, and weld it in.
Love to see it.
All right, so we just finished drilling the drain hole on the new piece of metal, and now we're going to spray the undercoat to seal it all up, and then I'm gonna go grab some fluid film at some point. Probably won't be in the video, but just grab some fluid film, put it up into the drain hole, and then spray all around the inside. That way the inside is sealed as well. And then after that, everything's gonna be good to go, and the frame will be back to a much stronger point than it was before cutting it out and re-welding this piece on. Like you saw in the beginning of the video, it was literally crumbling. Now it's not. It was actually supported on a jack stand, and there was no crunching or any noise of any sort like that, which is a huge reassurance for your frame. So let's go ahead and spray on some undercoating.